Hi guys, I'm Katarina at TYLT and I'm here with the ENERGI Pro Power Backpack, and today we'll be talking about routing pockets. There are 11 routing pockets you can use to charge your devices. The routing channels are conveniently located throughout the bag, so let's go through them all now. No matter what you're charging, it all starts with the 20,100 milliamp battery located in the side pocket. The routing channels are marked with the blue tab, and that's how you're going to get from pocket to pocket. So let's go ahead and set it up to charge your phone. All the cables that come from the battery pocket route to the laptop compartment, and to charge your phone in the top protective case, you just go ahead and use this channel right here. In order to charge your tablet, use this channel to get to the tablet compartment. Next, we routed a cable into the laptop compartment to charge my Type-C laptop. You can also route cables directly from the battery pocket to the main compartment. And the main compartment is good for any electronics you have on the go. For me, I like to charge my headphones. When you need to use your phone while charging, you can use these outlet channels located on the side of the battery. The micro USB port is to recharge the battery. You can use this channel to access this compartment where you can store a cord to recharge your battery. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you check out the ENERGI Pro Power Backpack on TYLT.com, and also follow us on social media at TYLT Products.
That's good, yeah.